When you don't have much time, you just gotta do a dump. Dinner. And I'm gonna be making a veggie brunch bake. Get ready to dump. Grab a bowl. I'm adding a dozen eggs, 1/4 cup milk, a little garlic powder, and some black pepper. Let's whisk that together. Then you need to add a bag of any frozen mixed vegetables. I'm just adding these Normandy blend veggies right in those eggs. And 3 cups of spinach. I may rip some leaves in there. And a can of cream of mushroom soup. Yum! Mix that all together, and then it's time for the big dump into a prepared glass baking dish. I'm gonna cook this about 20 to 25 minutes until the eggs are set. It's all done and set. Now I'm just gonna sprinkle up on a little Parmesan cheese and get ready to serve it. That's a tasty dump and a great brunch. You can't blame anyone else if you fall in your driveway. That's your own ass fault.